all my beautiful Siren Beauties, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, it is the Biutee Nail Stamping First Impressions review. So this is the nail stamping nail scraper card right here. I'm just showing that to you. This is the nail stamper that we shall be using. It's just the one-sided. This is your friendly reminder to like, subscribe, and click that notification bell so you never miss another video with me again. And then these are the two polishes that I'm going to be using as base. It is the White Addict and Black Addict from Nail Reserves LA. They changed the name. And this is actually the black Biutee nail polish and the white stamping gel that we're going to be testing out today. This is the book of nail stamping plates. Why did I say it like that? Why did my voice go? Sorry about that. And if you watch my video with the haul, all the plates actually fit into this binder with room to spare. So this is the plate that I've decided we're going to use that butterfly. And you saw me really quick roll. This is actually the second time that I was trying the stamping gel. The first time it separated and it was just bad. So we're going to put a little line up there just to cover everything. And then here, because it was so small, I thought it would be better to scrape it from top down. In the results, as you'll see, and actually looking at it now, it seems like it's smeared a lot more than it should have. I don't know. So what type of English am I speaking today? Here's how it looks on the stamper, trying to get it to focus. I believe my first mistake here was, you see that excess polish at the bottom of the stamper? I did not clean that up, and that transferred onto the nail. Do I get my nail? Where did everything go? Where is everything? Okay, so here's my black nail. I'm gonna line it up and press, and then it gets cured in the lamp for 60 seconds, and that's how it looks. More thoughts on it later. Next up, we are going to try the black nail stamping polish. Nail stamping polish? Yeah, that's how you say it. And this one, we go across. Let's go horizontally. I swiped it again to make sure that all the polish was inside the little crevices. Again, picked it up. And we're gonna put it on the nail. I think I was trying to zoom out, trying to focus you. And press. And there it goes. And I think you just let these air dry a little bit. So I just set it off to the side, let it air dry. I say 60 seconds for everything. It probably took a little bit less. But by the time I cleaned off this plate, and I'm just using a nail wipe with some acetone, and it cleans off, I would get a better quality nail wipe because these kind of sucked and they were peeling all over the place. But nevertheless, everything wiped up beautifully and was ready to try again. What am I doing now? I'm gonna zoom you back and we're gonna try again. So that was the first round, and now we're gonna practice some more and see what happens. So we're going back in with that black. I wanted to try it again. This is the first time I've ever used stamping plates, so it's just, not only was this a review on the company and the product itself, it's also me just testing out how to do nail stamp. That one came out a little smudgy. So then I decided, because I didn't like the way the white gel looked, I was going to try the white nail polish and see if that gave a different result. So we just swipe. Do another bit of a scrape. I didn't fast forward this video, so this is how it looks in real time. I didn't fast forward any parts of this video. So it's not long to do, and that there is pretty. Yep, I like the way that looks. Of course, it could be a little bit better. It's just gonna take practice to get it perfectly clean. But I liked, for first try, I like the way it looks so far. So here's how they look, both top coated. And now we're gonna get a pointer tool out so I can show you things. I don't like the white gel. As you can see, it's not as vibrant as the white nail polish at the top. And you can see that smeared. Here are my 3 tries with the black nail polish. I would say in conclusion, yeah, I'm saying the top one smeared, the middle one was the best. And then I'm just showing you how that white one looks, and that the white was the crispiest of all, the cleanest one. This is after practicing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 times. And now I am showing you the plate and how it looks. There's no residue. It cleans off very nicely with acetone and a nail wipe. There was some residue on the nail stamper, so if anybody knows how to clean your actual nail stamper, and this is after I put acetone on it, like I said, it could be the wipes that I used are not of good quality. But in conclusion, I would recommend it. I'll tell you which package to get. So thank you for watching this video, and thank you for joining me. Until next time, bye.